Winter arc, that girl routine, these are trends that have taken social media by storm. You wake up at 5 a.m., hit a workout every single day, meditate your way out of all of life's problems. What is the secret? Today, I'm showing you a very realistic way to integrate balance and healthier habits in your life. I might not be that girl, but I'm already my own dream woman, and that's perfect for me. Okay, big disclaimer. This video is showing you my personal wellness routines and recipes and workouts. This is what works for me. This is not me telling you what you need to do or that you need to change who you are at all. I'm not endorsing any specific diets or health approaches, especially because I don't even have a specific diet. If you are starting any new fitness or nutrition program, please consult a professional before you do so. The goal here with this video is simply to just share my journey and show some inspiration with you guys with recipes and different workouts. Always do what's best for you. Capiche? Now onto the video. What is a winter arc? Honestly, great question. It's kind of going viral on TikTok right now. A winter arc essentially is the 3 months from October 1st to January 1st, where you set your own routines, your own goals. You really dial in your workouts and your fitness routine and your eating so that by the time January 1st comes, which is when everyone else sets their resolutions, their goals, you're already in the swing of things, you're early to the game, and it's less daunting and overwhelming for you. Everyone does it differently. I do this thing every fall where I call it Focused Girl Fall, and I really turn inwards. It's essentially the same thing. The whole point is just turning inwards, focusing on yourself without any outside opinions or influences. Okay, my winter arc rules are exercising 3 times a week, which is pretty standard, and it's what I like to do. Eating more whole foods and trying to avoid processed foods 80% of the time. Now, of course, there's a time and a place, but really focusing on cooking at home is the easiest way to eat minimally processed food, and knowing what ingredients you have in your food. That's a big focus for me. Learning a new skill, which for me right now is YouTube, because I am pretty early to it. So still learning how to do all the editing things, finding all my styles, and it's such a challenge every single week. Walking 10K steps, very big ballpark. I don't really care if it gets to 10K. If it's 8, I'm happy. If it's 13, that's even better. Journaling and reading every day. And in general, being inwards and focusing on yourself. Before we fully get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe. I've been having so much fun on this channel, and the consistency is there, okay? You will get a video from me every single Sunday. Welcome to another day of our winter arc hot girl era that we've begun. I am gonna go work out today. I'm going to Lagree West. The outfit, this top is actually from House ID, which is a Vancouver brand. The leggings are Lululemon. They're yoga flare pants. Depends on what generation you are. You either say yoga pants or flare pants. I say yoga pants for sure. I have a little headband from Often, and my earrings, I think they're from Pilgrim. I would say my number one tip on solidifying your winter arc exercise routine is truly finding something that you actually love to do. Don't force yourself to do a workout style that is a drag to you. For example, I love the feeling that I get after I leave a spin class, but it's such a drag for me to go and I really dread it. And so obviously it's not gonna make me wanna get up and go. Whereas Lagree, I find that my body actually craves it and I really like the movement. So it's actually getting me up and bringing me to the gym. I would say that in the beginning, just focusing on implementing movement into your everyday is more important than what the actual workout is. Even if it's a 20-minute walk, at least you're doing it and you should give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, I got way too shy to film in this class, so here's a compilation of other clips that I've taken, but let me try and explain lagree to you as best as I can. The lagree method is a high-intensity, low-impact workout that combines elements of Pilates, strength training, and a wee bit of cardio to tone your muscles, improve endurance, and also work on flexibility, as you can see. The machine you're looking at is called the Megaformer, which adds resistance, and you guys, the workout looks easy, but I promise you, it is so tough. It focuses on slow, controlled movement so that you maintain tension in your muscles for the whole 40 minutes. And this helps you target smaller, stabilizing muscles, making it an effective workout for building strength, improving core stability, and achieving muscle definition. I also mentioned earlier in the video that I sometimes train with a personal trainer. This is Nico from House Concepts. If you live in the Vancouver area, he is amazing. We do traditional athletic training, focusing on lifting heavy with lots of power. We also run every single session and then get to lifting. Had the most marvelous everything shower. I shaved my body. I gave myself a blowout. We're feeling good. I want to show you what I use for my body. So in terms of shaving, I use this shave oil from Athena Club. I like it a lot better than using like a foam or a cream. I don't know, it just feels less messy. And then I also have the Athena Club razor that I love with it. I have like 4 of those. Dream body butter from Youth to the People. I'm halfway through it. I love it so much. It smells incredible. Now tonight is gonna be a fun night. And you're probably wondering, why am I including this in my winter arc video? I'm actually not sure. I kind of just want to take you along for the night. I hope you guys don't mind, but I feel like you won't mind at all. We are trying to go to the Sabrina Carpenter concert tonight. It starts in 2 hours. Do we have tickets? No. Do we know what we're wearing? No. But we're just choosing to have hope and go to it. Now, how this relates to a winter arc, and we are definitely reaching here, but I really do feel like the winter is really the time to nest and take things slow and be more intentional with your time and where you hang out and who you hang out with. I actually don't go out anymore. I'm very much a grandma and I'm very comfortable in that. But I feel like laughing and having fun and dancing is good for the soul and the body and the spirit. So really picking and choosing when you go out versus when you stay in. A concert is so warranted and I'm so excited and I hope we get to go. I just have a feeling that we will be. This is a glam. It's just an everyday look. Honestly, for concerts, I really dress like myself and the most comfortable. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear a super simple outfit and I'm manifesting floor tickets, general admission, standing room, because that is my style of concert.
Vancouver, it was so lovely to be here with you tonight. I came here for the first time when I was 13. And yeah, who's 13? like that age. That was really fun.
Let's talk about food quickly. I don't really follow a diet. I keep it simple. I don't follow any strict diet plans. I've seen naturopaths before who have put me on some really restricting plans before, and not my vibe. My big focus is eating at home. For me, it's all about protein, some good fiber options, lots of veggies and fruits, and that's pretty much it. Honestly, this approach helps me feel balanced without overthinking it, which is perfect for me. Okay, let's get into some recipes. Next video is about to turn up. Should I tell you guys what's going on? Okay, I'll tell you. I am moving. I'm telling you before I tell any other platform because that's just how I feel about YouTube and our relationship here. Moving vlogs are to come. Packing, tours, let's go. I'm so excited. So again, make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you there next week. Bye.